2011 Young Bird team. Highland Loft in Staten Island. These are the birds breaking in. They're flying all over the place like a mess. They look good. Coming close to their 7th tip now. Trying to break them in, get them trained to hit the board. This way on race day, there's no time wasted. Lead all these guys' asses out there. They know the deal. What's going on? Highland Loft. I got about 68 on the team right now. I started really getting them moving at about 80. Lost a little bunch. I'm down about 11 World Trade Center bands right now out of 40. This is the largest team I ever had. I usually start the season no more than 40 birds. Try something new. Might be good, it might be bad, but whatever it is, it ain't gonna be all that bad. There goes one hitting the board the right way. Here's my silvers. I have the same family since 2002. I got some Imbrex, Del Bars. I got 1 or 2 good Huskins that breed me very well pigeons. I got this year's my first year. I got Louis Jardina's birds. He's an old-time flyer from Brooklyn. He's about 84 years old now. He's retired, and I took a few pairs off of him, and I told him I'll try him. That's why my team is a little bit larger than it should be. Birds are pretty tame right now. Nice team. Comfortable. I just got finished worming them yesterday. Let them out, loft fly a little bit. This is one of my older youngsters right there from the first set. He's got to be almost on the, got to be close to the 8th tip by now. And there goes my crazy dog Brutus. He's always chasing after the birds. Then I got Chloe over there, and then my parrot. This is my parrot, Courtney and Chloe right here. Say hello, Courtney. That's my company, N&M Demolition, www.nmdemolition.com. You can look me up, get a little bit more information on what I do for business. And that's it, guys. See you next time.